Good afternoon, everyone. Hello.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah. Yash, anyone who's giving CLAT? Anyone who are present right now who's giving
Yes, ma'am.
CLAT? Yeah,
Yes,
Parth,
ma'am.
I just wanted a favor from you.
Yes, ma'am.
You have that big book of CLAT. You know that the blue colored book you have salt papers.
Uh, which one? Let me just check.
Yeah, it's a big book. It's a very big book. It's a proper binded book. It's written on that salt papers, chapter by salt papers.
No, I haven't got it from Sohail. I'll have to ask for it actually.
Okay, anyone else who has this book written by Gautam Puri who's giving CLAT? Shreyas, do you have that book, Shreyas Pujari?
No, ma'am.
Okay, the people who have joined really very early might have this book.
Ma'am, I have I'm having this book.
Yeah, so just do me a favor now. What's your name, dear, by the way?
Trishna.
So Drishna, just do me a favor. It's page number in the logical reasoning section, page number 2.26. There's a section of clocks. Okay. So in that, there are 8 questions on clocks. Can you please just click the picture of that page and put it on a group?
Yes, ma'am. 2 seconds.
Yeah. Take your time. Other people are still joining in. We have time. We'll wait for 5 minutes and then we'll start with the class.
Ma'am, I don't actually have your number. Where should I send it?
On the group itself, dear.
Okay.
चलो आप
Good afternoon, everyone. Am I clearly audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
I hope all of you are doing well. Today's topic is clocks. We'll start with clocks. If time permits, we'll see if we can start with next topic. But I want really all of you should clear all the concepts with the topic that is clock, because it's a very important topic. If you see any of the examination, you get the questions on clocks in every examination, be it CLAT, be it CET, be it hotel management CET, be it BBA CET or IPM, any exam you see, all examination will have this type of questions. Okay. Now, when we are talking about clocks, we are going to now there are two types of clocks. Which are two types of clocks, guys?
24 and 12.
24-hour and 12-hour.
24-hour and 12 hours. So normally we will be referring to a 12-hour clock, okay? And we will be referring to the analog clock, digital clock. As such, अभी तो फिलहाल के लिए refer नहीं कर रहे हम लोग. Okay, fine. Now, let's try to understand something about clock. You might be knowing it, but for the people who don't know this, I just want to clear all the concepts so that there is no confusion left out. Now, when we say about clock, how many numbers you see normally on a 12-hour clock? How many numbers you see, guys?
12.
12, right? So basically, and I want everyone to, please try not to leave the session and then again come back, because it's going to be very difficult for me to admit every one of you again. Okay, it really becomes difficult because I have to, I just, mera focus hi hil jata hai. What I'm doing, I really don't understand in that case. Now, when we are talking about 12-hour clock, this number is normally written as 12, correct? Then you have 1, 2, 3. This is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11, correct? Now, guys, can you tell me when we talk about circle, what is the basically, how much degree is this?
360.
360 degrees, correct? Okay. Now, when we talk about the hands of the clock, okay? Now, when I say the hour hand, okay, this is, let's say, your hour hand, and this is, let's say, your minutes hand. Now, when I say that minute hand has traveled 1 hour, that means ये minute hand ने कितना degrees travel किया है?
360.
360, right? For an example, from 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock, this minute hand has traveled how much distance? This complete distance, which is a 360 degrees, correct? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, when we talk about this, the distance between 12 and 1, this 12 and 1 is also divided in some parts. You know that? Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
How many parts is my next question?
5.
5 parts, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, right? So this is how each of the 5, the distance of 5, the distance between two numbers is divided into 5 parts. Now, let's try to understand the degree part. Now, if you say that complete circle is 360 degree, what would be this spot? That is the distance between 12 and 3. How much it would be?
90 degrees.
90 degrees. Correct, everyone? Is she correct, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. If this complete thing is 90 degrees, this 90 degrees, can I say is divided into 3 parts? That is, this is one part, this is second part, and this is third part, correct? Yes? Yes or
Yes,
no?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So how much would be this distance from 12 to 1? ये कितना distance होना चाहिए?
30 degree.
30 degrees, correct? Right? And if at all I talk about this distance from here to here, ये कितना distance होना चाहिए? If this distance is 30, this 30 is divided into 5 equal parts.
6.
This
6
degrees.
6.
6 degrees. Understood this, everyone? Up till
Yes,
now?
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now let's talk something about hands. When I talk about our hand, in 1 hour, our hands travels how much distance? Just look at the watch and tell me the answer. In 1 hour, our hands travel how much distance?
30 degree.
30 degree.
30 degrees. Let's say we say from 3 to 4, right? At 3 o'clock, your hour hand was over here. At 4 o'clock, your hour hand is over here. So our hand has traveled this much distance, which is equal to how much? 30 degrees. So can I write over here, if 1 hour is 30 degrees, that means it is nothing but 60 minutes. Our hand travels how much distance? 30 degrees, correct? Yes. Now my next question is, if at all I ask you a question, in 1 minute, our hand travels what distance? What would be your answer? Am I audible?
30 divided by 60.
Yes,
2
ma'am.
degrees.
Basically, अगर
6
एक
degree.
घंटे में, that is 60 minutes में, अगर 30 degrees travel कर रहा है, तो 1 मिनट में कितना travel करेगा? तो आपने क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई किया ये नंबर को
30 divided by 60.
yes.
0.5 degree.
तो आपको 0.5 डिग्री मिल रहा है? Is it? आपको क्या मिलने वाला है? You just cross multiply, so you get half degree, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Guys, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So in 1 minute, what number should I write? Half degree, correct? Now, if I talk about minutes hand. Now, in 1 hour, minute hand travels how much distance? In 1 hour, minute hand travels how much distance?
360 degrees.
360 degrees, perfect, right? From 3 o'clock, your hour hand was over here at 12. At 4 o'clock, it will travel this complete distances and it will again come back to 12, right? So it has traveled how much distance? 360 degrees. So in 60 minutes, one hand has traveled 360 degrees, right? In 1 minute, how many degrees?
6 degree.
6 degrees, correct. See, यहाँ से यहाँ पे ही जा रहा है ना वो 1 minute मतलब यहाँ से यहाँ पे जाना, that's 1 minute, correct. So कितना travel कर रहा है ये? 6 degrees, correct. या आप क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करते हो तो भी यही आंसर आने वाला है. I hope these numbers are clear to everyone. If you want, you can just write it down in your books just to avoid the confusion, because whenever we are going to solve the question, every question we are going to refer this information. Anyone, any doubts up till now?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. I hope you guys have taken the screenshot, or else I'll give you a minute. Just write this down. Okay, done then. Now, the questions normally you get the questions like, you know, they'll be giving you some time and they'll be asking you what is the angle between two hands. So this is how the one type of questions are normally asked. So let's try to solve those kind of questions. Now, let's say if I ask you a question, what is the angle between hour hand and minute hand at, let's say, 8:30? What do you mean by 8:30?
8:30.
8:30.
It's as good as 8:30, correct? And the question over here is, what is the angle between two hands, that is hour hand and minute hand at 8:30? Now at 8:30, how is the position of the hands? This minute hand would be somewhere over here exactly at 6, correct? Yes?
Yes,
Yes
ma'am.
or no? Yes.
Yes,
But what
ma'am.
about our hand?
60-degree
Our hand is
angle.
exactly at 8.
Between 8 and 9.
It was between 8 and 9, somewhere over here, correct? It is somewhere over here, right? So now what they have asked us to find out the angle between these two hands. Now how to work with it? We cannot work with just, observation. You cannot write the answer. No one can write that answer. We have to find out the logic. Now this is really very easy question wherein you can answer the question easily. But sometimes the questions become difficult. And one more thing wanted to point out, if at all online or
75
in any
degree.
of your books, if you get a formula, there's a formula to find out the angle between the hands. Please don't refer to that formula. It's confusing. And then over there, of a positive angle and a negative angle. तो उसमें आप लोग गलती कर दोगे. So I'm just giving you a very logical method which does not involve any formula. Just with logic you can calculate the numbers. Okay. Now tell me guys, यहाँ से यहाँ तक, that means 6 से लेकर तो 8 तक कितना डिग्रीज होना चाहिए ये?
60 degrees.
60 डिग्रीज, बिकॉज यहाँ से यहाँ तक ये 30 डिग्रीज है और यहाँ से यहाँ तक ये 30 डिग्रीज है, राइट? तो हमारा जो आंसर होगा, दैट आंसर वुड बी 60 प्लस सम x डिग्रीज, करेक्ट? ये डिस्टेंस हमको पता ही नहीं है कितना है. Am I right? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's try to understand after 8 o'clock. Exactly at 8 o'clock, where was your R hand over here? At 8 o'clock, your R hand was over here, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, can I say 8:30? That is for 30 minutes, your R hand was also traveling. Now, we just need to find out how much distance this R hand has traveled in 30 minutes. Now, we have one information which I have written over here. In 1 hour, normally your R hand travels how much distance?
30 degrees.
Degrees, correct? So, can I say in 60 minutes, your R hand has traveled 30 degrees, and 8:30 means after 8 o'clock, how many minutes have passed?
30 minutes.
30.
After 8 o'clock, how many minutes have passed? 30. So for 30 minutes, your R hand was traveling after 8 o'clock. So can I put a correlation over here that in 60 minutes, if it is 30 degrees, then in 30 minutes, is it what?
15.
This number comes down to
15.
15 degrees, correct? So now can I say that this extra distance which is traveled is nothing but 15 degrees, correct? Put
Yes.
final answer. Your final answer would be 60 plus 15, which is equal to. Understood this, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Anyone,
ma'am.
any doubt? Anyone, any doubt with this? I'll take few more examples so that all your doubts are cleared regarding to this question. If you have a doubt, you can stop me there itself. Okay, I'm just erasing some part of it.
Ma'am,
Yes.
in our hand, what is 1 minute question mark half?
This one? It's
Yes, ma'am.
सी ये ऐसा था कि 60 मिनट्स में अगर 30 डिग्री ट्रैवल करता है आवर हैंड, तो 1 मिनट में कितना करेगा? तो ये क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करके ये क्वेश्चन मार्क का आंसर आया हाफ डिग्री.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's take some different time. Let's see what is the angle between the hands at 4:45. Okay, we have to find out the angle between the hands at 4:45. Now, at 4:45, where would be your minute hand?
At 9.
9.
At 9, somewhere over here, correct? Exactly at 9 or somewhere more than 9 or less than 9?
Exactly at 9.
Exactly at 9.
At 9. Perfect. And where would be your R hand? Exactly at 4 or between 4 and 5 or less than 4, more than 4? Where exactly?
Near.
Between
4 and
4:30
5.
and 5.
So can I say it would be somewhere over here?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Now we have to find out the angle. Now we know perfectly that from 9 till 5, ये तो पूरा हम डिस्टेंस कवर कर ही रहे हैं. Yes or no? To find out the angle. I'm really going very slow when I'm showing this. What distance you are actually you have to calculate this angle, correct? Yes. So when you want to calculate this angle, what all कहाँ तक हमने कवर किया? ये 30, उसके बाद में ये 30 पूरा आ रहा है, ये 30 भी पूरा आ रहा है और ये 30 भी पूरा है. तो पूरे 30s ऐसे कितने आए हमारे?
120. 120.
Can I say my answer has to be what? 120 degrees plus something. Correct? Because we don't know this distance. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Do we know this distance, guys? We don't know, correct? Yes. Let's try to find out this distance now. Now, at 4:45, that means can I say my R hand was traveling for 45 minutes? Correct? My R hand was traveling for how many minutes till from after 4 o'clock? My hour hand was traveling for how many minutes?
45.
After 4 o'clock, our hand traveled for 45 minutes, correct? Yes. Now over here, guys, I will have to mute myself for a minute. An extremely important call. Extremely sorry, guys. Okay, so our hand was traveling for 45 degrees, correct? Now tell me one thing. If in 60 minutes our hand travels for how many degrees?
30.
Okay, guys, extremely sorry again for muting myself. So I was like, you know, in 60 minutes, our hand is traveling for 30 degrees. Okay, कितना टाइम चल चुका है? 4 बजे 45 minutes, correct? So 45 minutes में our hand कितना travel करेगा, guys?
22.5 degrees.
22.5.
22.5 degrees, correct? Now tell me ये जो 22.5 degrees है, ये कहाँ से हमने कैलकुलेशन किया है? यहाँ से 4 o'clock से आगे या 5 से पीछे?
4 o'clock से आगे.
यहाँ से डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल कितना हुआ है?
22.5.
ये जो डिस्टेंस है वो 22.5 है, करेक्ट? यस. और हमको कौन सा डिस्टेंस कैलकुलेट करना है? ये वाला. तो ये डिस्टेंस क्या होगा? दैट विल बी नथिंग बट व्हाट? 30 minus 22.5. Am I correct, guys?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So what is the value of x that we are getting?
127.5.
No. X is 7.5, right? And your total answer is 127.5. Understood this, everyone, how to calculate these numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone, any
Yes,
doubts up
ma'am.
till now?
How we got 22.5?
See, this is a simple logic. 4 बजे के बाद आपको जो भी टाइम पूछा है ना, so just see कि completed टाइम कितना है, right? Let's say अगर 3:45 होता तो completed टाइम आप क्या देखते? 3 o'clock. अब 4:45 है तो completed टाइम आप क्या देखोगे? 4 o'clock. Okay? उसके बाद में आपको क्या चेक करना है कि 60 मिनट्स में, ये इन्फॉर्मेशन तो हमको पता है कि 60 मिनट्स में आर हैंड कितना चलता है? आर हैंड कितना चलता है 60 मिनट्स में, गाइस? यहाँ से यहाँ तक, दैट मीन्स 30 चलता है. यस और नो?
Yes, ma'am.
यस. तो अब ये कितना चला है 4 o'clock के बाद में? ये कितना चला है आर हैंड? 45 minutes, करेक्ट? सो कैन वी पुट अ कोरिलेशन? अगर 60 मिनट्स में 30 डिग्रीज चल रहा है तो 45 मिनट्स में कितना? समझ में आया ये?
Yes, ma'am.
तो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो. सो दैट विल बी 45 into 30 upon 60. This number will come down to 22.5 degrees. अब समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
ये आगे समझा आपको ये 7.5 क्यों लिखा है?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, fine. Let's take few more examples to clear all your doubts. Can I erase this part?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, just give me a moment. Okay, let's try to find out the angle between the two hands at 2:10. We have to find out the angle between two hands at 2:10. Now, at 2:10 means what? Where will be your exactly your minute hand? At 2:10, your minute hand would be exactly at which number?
2.
2.
2. Okay. And what about the hour hand? Harsh, switch off your video. Yes. And where would be your hour hand? Exactly at 2 or more than 2 or less than 2? Where exactly?
More than 2.
At 2.
More than 2. So can I say it would be something like this? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And we have to calculate this angle. Now, how to calculate this angle, guys? Can anyone tell me how to calculate this angle?
Ma'am, 1 minute was 6 degrees. So 10 minutes into 6.
Okay.
No,
But you're
we'll
talking
consider
about minute hand. I'm not talking about
we'll
minute hand.
consider 1 hour travels in 1 hour.
Uh-huh.
Our hand travels 30 degrees. So in 10 minutes, how much
Yes,
does
we
it
are
travel?
talking about our hand, correct? So our hand after 2 o'clock, correct? 60 minutes में वो कितना ट्रैवल कर रहा है? 30 डिग्रीज. तो 2 o'clock के बाद में 10 minutes हुआ. So 10 minutes में कितना ट्रैवल करेगा? क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई
5 degree.
What number you get? What number you
5
get after
degrees.
this? 5 degrees, correct? Now, this was a scenario after 2 o'clock. Exactly at 2 o'clock, where was your hour hand at 2? यहाँ पे था ना, ये वाले पॉइंट पे था, करेक्ट? और
Yes,
10
ma'am.
मिनट के बाद में वो यहाँ पे आया, तो एग्जैक्टली आपको सिर्फ यही डिस्टेंस कैलकुलेट करना था, करेक्ट? सो व्हाट इज योर आंसर ओवर हियर?
6 degree.
Same, that is 5 degrees. Understood this? Everyone understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now what I'll do is I'll just clear up the screen and I want you guys to solve few questions now based on this type only. I want you guys to find out the angles at, the first question is 7:50. Second question would be at 4:25. Third would be, let's say, 5:40. And next would be 6:15. So you have to solve these 4 questions. I give you, let's say, 4 minutes for this. Give it a try, do it slowly. Don't be in a hurry and make mistakes. Aditi, check your last answer. Oh, I'm so sorry, Aditi. You're correct. You're correct. Path, first answer is correct. I want everyone to solve. Everyone, you can just give your answers in chat if you want. Payal, check your second and fourth answer. Disha, check your first answer. Akshaya, just check your last answer, Akshaya. Parth. But I'm unable to understand. Okay, Acha, you given from second answer. No, Parth, there is mistake in second and there is mistake in fourth one also. Raj, first is incorrect. Second also problematic. Third is only third is correct, Raj. Perfect, Rishabh. All are correct. Janvi, perfect. Asmi, check your first one, second one. Asmi, please check all three answers except for the fourth one. Akshay, check for the second one, Akshay. Second and the fourth one. Akshay, last one is correct. Prajakta, check for your first answer. Rishi, all answers are correct. Rishi, why you are late for the class?
Ma'am, I was on the time.
No, I admitted you late, I remember. Or did you?
And it was because of the
left?
net problem.
Okay, and again you joined,
Yes.
I guess.
Ma'am,
Okay.
because of the weather, too bad today.
No, nothing is happening. I'm also in Nasik only. It's okay. Okay, fine. Let's solve it, guys. Let's see how to solve these type of questions. Most of you are not getting it correct. I'll solve all these questions with you guys. So, always जब तक practice नहीं होता है ना, try to draw a clock and clock के साथ में practice करो. Now, I'll just draw a reference clock over here. Just give me a minute. It is better if you draw with clocks, at least for initial few, questions. And then you can just skip this part if you're very well acquainted with the degrees and all. Okay. Now, let's see the first one, 750. 750, where would be your minute hand? Minute hand कौन से number पे रहेगा?
10.
10 पे रहेगा, correct? Now, what about the hour hand? Hour hand कहाँ पे रहेगा?
Near 8.
Near, between 7 and 8, I can say? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. That means 10 and यहाँ तक हमको ऐसा कुछ कैलकुलेशन करना है. This point and this point. ये distance हमको कैलकुलेट करना है, correct? तो total distance यहाँ से यहाँ तक तो 60 हो गया, correct? 10 से 9 और 9 से 8. ये इतना distance कितना है, guys?
60 degree.
60 degrees. That means our answer is 60 plus x degrees. We need to find out x degrees. Okay. Now, after 7 o'clock, our hand ने कितना travel किया है, तो ये हमको ये वाला distance मिल जाएगा by that analogy that, in 60 minutes, our hand travels 30 degrees, right? So, ये time क्या देख रहे हैं हम लोग? 50, correct? तो 50 minutes में कितना? कितना होता है ये डिस्टेंस? ये डिस्टेंस गाइस
25.
25, करेक्ट? ओके, ये डिस्टेंस 25 है और हमको क्या फाइंड करना है? ये वाला डिस्टेंस, करेक्ट?
Yes, ma'am.
यस, तो हमारा आंसर क्या होगा? विल इट बी 25 और विल इट बी 5?
5.
5, ma'am.
5. एंड देयर वेयर मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल मेड मिस्टेक. बहुत से लोगों ने 85 आंसर दिया. समझ में आया 85 आंसर क्यों नहीं है हमारा? हमारा आंसर क्या है? +5 which is equal to 65. Everyone got this? Why your answer 85 is not correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone, any doubts?
नहीं.
Nahin? Okay, let's see the next one, that is 425. Now when I say 425, where would be your hour hand? Sorry, where would be your minute hand? At 5?
Yes.
Yes. And where would be your hour hand between 4 and 5? Somewhere over here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we need to calculate this distance. We know this distance is nothing but what? 30 minus something? Correct? See, at 4 o'clock, your hour hand was at this point. आपको यहाँ से यहाँ तक का distance मिल जाएगा by this analogy that 60 minutes में ये कितना travel कर रहा है? 30 degrees. तो 25 minutes में कितना? तो ये क्या आएगा नंबर? 12.5 बराबर?
Yes, ma'am.
ये वाला जो डिस्टेंस मिला है वो 12.5 है और बहुत से लोगों ने ये 12.5 आंसर दिया है, बट 12.5 आंसर नहीं, आपका आंसर क्या रहेगा? दैट विल बी व्हाट? 30 minus 12.5 which comes down to 17.5 degrees. समझ में आया why your answer is wrong?
Yes, ma'am.
कौन सा
Yes,
आंसर
ma'am.
फाइंड करना है वो चेक करो, उसके बाद में प्लस माइनस करो. यू नो दैट distance between all the numbers, consecutive numbers, is 30 degrees. Accordingly आप क्या calculations करो. If I work with 540, now 540 hand at this point at 8, correct? And where would be your hour hand between 5 and 6? Somewhere over here. So we need to calculate this distance. So now you tell me कितना होना चाहिए ये distance? कैसे करेंगे calculation? Give me step by step answer. Any one of you? Any one of you can give me the answer.
मैम पहले तो 60 डिग्री हो गया.
Just hello.
या मैम
Yes, tell me.
पहले तो ये 60 डिग्री हो गया. दो
Perfect.
8 और
Perfect.
6 के बीच का डिस्टेंस.
This distance is 60. Perfect. And you need to calculate this distance. To calculate this distance कैसे करोगे?
एक इसमें 30 डिग्री होता है.
So I'll write 60
क्रॉस
minutes.
मल्टीप्लिकेशन
30 degrees. So 40 minutes में कितना?
X.
So this comes down to 20 degrees, right?
20 80
So
to
your answer is 60 plus 20.
No,
80.
60
60
plus
plus 10.
हाँ.
समझ
Okay,
में आया?
okay.
See, this distance
Yes,
is
yes.
30. उसमें से ये वाला distance कितना है? 20. तो ये distance कितना रहेगा? 10. And we had to find out this distance. So our answer is what? It is nothing but 60 plus 10, which is equal to 70. Did everyone understand why 80 is wrong answer? Because most of you gave me 80 as answer. Okay, let's go to the next one. 615. Who's going to help me?
Ma'am,
615. Yes, tell me. Help me.
the hour hand would be just a little further from 6, between 6
Okay,
and
I'll
7.
take this position. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
And the minute hand would be on 3.
that is over here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what is the distance that we need to exactly calculate?
Between 3 and 6, we have complete 90 degree.
Right. So 90 degrees to hai plus x degrees karna hai, correct?
Yes.
Okay,
So-
how to find out this x?
In 60 minutes, it travels 30 degrees. So in
Perfect.
15 minutes, how many degrees?
So it is 7.5 degrees,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
So your x is 7.5 or 30 minus 7.5?
It would be 7.5.
Perfect. And your answer comes down to 97.5 degrees. Okay. I hope everyone has understood this.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone, any doubts with these kind of questions? If no,
No, ma'am.
if no, then let's proceed. On the group, I guess Trishna has shared a few questions. I had asked her to do so. So let's refer to those questions which is there on the group. Okay. After that, I'll share a few more questions. So let's solve the questions one by one. So I'll just ask you to refer. There's one question like, first question, a clock gains 5 minutes every hour. Then the angle traversed by the second's hand in 1 minute will be.
Ma'am, where you have
Excuse me,
sent the
ma'am.
photo?
Yeah. Just
It's
a
not
sec.
on IPM group.
Yeah, I'm sending it on IPM group. Just hold on for a minute. I'll just share it on the CLAD group. It is on IPM. I'm just sharing right now. Okay. So let's refer to the first question over here. Can I guys clear the screen if you want? Okay, if you want, you can just take the screenshot. Else I'm clearing the screen. Okay, so here's the first question. A clock gains 5 minutes every hour. What do you mean by gains 5 minutes every hour? इसका meaning क्या होता है?
Complete.
No.
Covers 360 degrees.
अभी तो नहीं, but पहले बहुत होता था. बहुत सी watches faulty रहती थी. So उसमें कभी सुना होगा, अरे ये बहुत आगे चल रही है, अरे ये तो पीछे ही रह गई. सुना है ये सब ऐसे कभी words?
यस मैम, मतलब
क्या?
5 मिनट आगे हो.
5 मिनट आगे मतलब अगर उसको दिखाना चाहिए था 4 बजे टाइम, तो वो क्या बता रहा है? 4:05.
4:05.
So that is gaining. What is gaining? It
Yes.
is running fast. Okay. And what if I say the losing 5 minutes? इसका meaning
5 minutes late है.
At 4 o'clock it will show me the time as 3:55. Are you guys getting
Yes.
this? Yes. Okay. So once you know this words, a clock gains 5 minutes every hour. Then the angle traversed by a second hand in 1 minute. Normally second hand 1 minute में कितना travel करता है? ये बताओ. Normally with a normal watch, second hand 1 minute
360 degree.
कितना degrees travel करता है? Perfect, right? Okay. This 1 minute, can I say, is as good as 60 seconds? Can I say this?
Yes, ma'am.
So in 60 seconds, it travels 360 degrees, correct? Now, what is the question that they are asking is? The angle traversed by second hand in 1 minute. Normally, agar pucha hota without a faulty watch, your answer would have been 360 degrees, correct? But this watch is faulty. And what it is doing? In 1 minute span, it is covering how many seconds? 65 seconds? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
बिकॉज ये 5 मिनट आगे जा रही है, गेन कर रही है, राइट? सो एक्चुअली देखने जाए तो 60 सेकेंड उसने चलना चाहिए था, बट वो कितना सेकेंड्स चल गई है बिकॉज ऑफ द फास्ट मूवमेंट? 65 सेकेंड्स, करेक्ट? और अब आपको फाइंड आउट करना है कि 60 सेकेंड में अगर 360 ट्रैवल कर रही थी तो 65 सेकेंड्स में कितना ट्रैवल कर रही है? जस्ट कोरिलेशन. टेल मी गाइस आंसर.
390.
It's a simple cross multiplication. Normal cross multiplication it is. So it will be like 65 into 360 upon 60. So your answer will come down to, is this correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone, any doubts with this? Because on the same lines, I'm giving you one more question. Okay, if no.
No ma'am.
Okay,
मैम वो ट्रैवर्स मतलब
ट्रैवर्स मतलब चलना.
मैम बट सर्कल तो 360 डिग्री का ही रहता है ना.
Sorry?
A circle is of 360 degrees only, na?
Yeah, that is 360 degrees only. But the movement of the hands are fast. मतलब उसको जितना ट्रैवल करना था उससे ज्यादा वो ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं. And what is the question that they have asked कि पूरे उतने 1 मिनट में वो हैंड कितना चल गया आगे? डिस्टेंस पता कर रहे हैं हम लोग, डिग्रीज पे वर्क नहीं कर रहे. दिस इज जस्ट रेफरेंस, दिस इज, हम लोग किलोमीटर्स जैसे लेते हैं ना डिस्टेंस में, वैसे आवर्स में, सॉरी क्लॉक्स में हम लोग डिग्रीज में डिस्टेंस कैलकुलेट करते हैं. यू गेटिंग दिस?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah?
Yeah, ma'am.
ओके.
मैम वो आपने 65 और 300 बांटे ना हर एक सेकंड में.
मैंने नहीं बांटे भाई, ये स्टैंडर्ड है.
मतलब
हेलो, मतलब ये बोल
मैम वो
रहा
65 कैसा है वो बताओ एक बार.
65 का मीनिंग क्या है? सी नॉर्मली ये जो सेकंड का हैंड है इसको 1 मिनट में इतना ही चलना था,
हाँ
बट ये इसका स्पीड ज्यादा है, ये गेन कर रही है ना क्लॉक, तो इसका स्पीड ज्यादा होने की वजह से क्या हो रहा है, सेकंड चलना था, मतलब ये इतना ही डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल करना था, वो और आगे चला गया. समझ
हाँ
रहे?
यस.
तो कितना आगे गया? 5 मिनट, 5 सेकेंड्स,
5 सेकंड.
sorry, 5 minutes every hour, right? What is given over here? 5 minutes every hour. I'm so sorry. Okay, any which ways logically भी जाओ तो वही होगा. अगर मैं बोल दूं कि 60 minutes में okay, कितना ट्रैवल हो रहा है, एक मिनट हैंड कितना ट्रैवल हो रहा है? ओके, क्वेश्चन में मिनट हैंड था या सेकेंड हैंड था?
मिनट.
नहीं 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 नहीं, सेकेंड हैंड था और मिनट के साथ में कोरिलेशन था, तो मैंने वो मिनट्स को कन्वर्ट कर दिया सेकेंड्स में पहले. समझ में आया ये?
यस.
Okay. On the same lines is the 8th question on the second image which Trishna has shared. On the second image, 8th question. A clock gains 2 minutes every hour, then the angle traversed by second hand in 1 minute is. Find out the answer.
$372.
372. Anyone else with any other answer?
No ma'am, same.
Any other answer?
372.
372. किसका और कोई आंसर लाइक 390, 370 ऐसा आ रहा है किसका कुछ? कैन वी से सेम लाइंस पे यहाँ पे कितना गेन हो रहा है? How much the clock is gaining?
5 seconds.
2
minutes.
minutes.
2 minutes. So 1 minute is equal to 1 minute में कितना ट्रैवर्स करता है सेकेंड हैंड? 360 डिग्रीज, राइट? सो 60 सेकेंड्स में कितना ट्रैवर्स होगा? 360 डिग्रीज, करेक्ट. बट यहाँ पे कितना उसने ट्रैवर्स किया है एक्स्ट्रा? 2 minutes एक्स्ट्रा. What do you mean by minutes by the way on the clock? See, I'll just explain you this part. ना 12 से लेकर तो 1 तक अगर मेरा मिनट का हैंड यहाँ पे है तो आप क्या बोलते हो ये टाइम क्या होगा? लेट्स से आर हैंड मेरा 3 पे है और मिनट का हैंड मेरा ये वाले पॉइंट पे है, तो आप टाइम क्या देखते हो?
3:01.
This is how you read it. It is 1 past 3, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. See, now when you say that it has gained by 5 minutes, means what? Actually, जहाँ पे 3 बजना था वो वहां पे कितना बता रहा है? 5 मिनट एक्स्ट्रा. That means ये वाला हैंड यहाँ पे आ चुका है, करेक्ट? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
यस. सो अब आपको अगर डिग्रीज फाइंड करना है तो डिग्रीज कैसे फाइंड करोगे? ये 360 तो पूरा था प्लस उसमें और ये 30 डिग्रीज ऐड कर रहे हो. समझ में आ रहा है? सो इसलिए 390 हुआ. सिमिलरली अगर 2 मिनट्स का गैप है, 2 मिनट्स आगे है, तो क्या होगा? ये कितना डिस्टेंस रहेगा यहाँ से यहाँ तक?
12 degree.
This is 6 degrees and this is further 6 degrees. So total is how much? 12 degrees, right? 360 तो complete किया but 2 minutes का gain था. So what is the total degrees gain?
360 plus 12.
Or else you can go with the correlation also. 60 seconds 360. So 62 seconds means how much? Cross multiply again you get this 372 as answer. आई होप मैंने लॉजिक से भी बताया, आई होप मैंने फॉर्मूला से भी बताया. और कुछ किसी को डाउट ये वाले क्वेश्चन में?
No, ma'am.
नो? ओके फाइन. लेट्स सॉल्व नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देन. एवरीवन गिव मी आंसर फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2.
75.
75.
I guess we did this. 8:30 हमने already कर लिया, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So ये आंसर्स आप सबको आएंगे because हमने ये ऐसे बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन भी कर लिए. So your answer is 75 degrees. Anyone out with this question?
No, ma'am. No,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now next question is completely on common sense. Try solving question number 3. Completely on common sense. And I want the answer with why. You need to give me the reason also.
Ma'am, which question?
Question number 3. First image, question number 3.
Option A, 11.
11. Okay. Why 11?
In 1 hour,
Mm-hmm.
in 1 hour, hands of a clock are right angle 2 times. So in 6 hour, 12.
Okay. Right angle in 1 hour. The angle between the hour hand and minute hand becomes right angle 2 times. This is what you are saying, correct?
Yes.
And from 4 o'clock to 10 o'clock, ये कितना time होता है?
6 hour.
6 hours. तो उस हिसाब से 12 होना चाहिए था, बराबर?
But in between, it doesn't show right angle in 6 to 8 or something.
Where exactly? Can you tell me where exactly?
5 to 6.
5 to 6 में can we see क्या होगा वहां पे? 5 to 6 में प्रॉब्लम होगा या और कहीं पे प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है? What will happen at? अच्छा मुझे एक बात बताइए, चलो हम लोग सिंपल सा कैलकुलेशन
प्रॉब्लम 4 में हो रहा है.
ओके चलो देखते हैं. नाउ टेल मी 4 o'clock से लेकर तो 5 o'clock जस्ट अप्रोक्सीमेट बताइए मुझे कि राइट एंगल कहाँ पे बनेगा. अप्रोक्सीमेट नंबर, मैं एग्जैक्ट नंबर नहीं पूछ रही हूँ. राइट एंगल कहाँ पे बनेगा 4 o'clock से 5 o'clock के बीच में?
15 minutes.
4:15 पे is it?
हाँ.
440 पे.
No,
I'll make a clock in front of you. अगर हम लोग अज्यूम करके चलते कि हमारा
4:35.
4, 5 and
okay,
4:35.
this is 3, this is your 4, this is your 5, this is your 6, 7, 8 and 9. अज्यूम करके चलो कि आपका 4 पे ही है आर हैंड, तो ये कहाँ पे राइट एंगल बना रहा है?
4, 5.
5 and 4:35.
4, 5 पे, okay, and then 4:35 पे.
35.
Approximate. It's not the exact number. We are just writing approximate. So 4, 5 पे बनेगा और दूसरा वाला कहाँ पे बनेगा? 4:35 पे. ये जो 4, 5 पे बनेगा, ये 4, 5 से कम टाइम पे बनेगा या ज्यादा टाइम पे बनेगा?
ज्यादा.
See, अभी exactly ये बनना चाहिए था 4, ये 4 पे होना चाहिए था और ये 1 पे होना चाहिए था, करेक्ट? बट ये आगे निकल जाएगा थोड़ा सा ये एंगल. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
5 होगा ना. ये जस्ट ट्राई टू इमेजिन ना. सी एग्जैक्ट नंबर्स निकालते जाएंगे तो बहुत टाइम चला जाएगा. इसको थोड़ा सा ये आगे जाएगा, राइट? एंड योर मिनट हैंड विल बी ओवर हियर एग्जैक्टली, राइट? तो जो राइट एंगल आपका बनेगा वो कहाँ पे बनेगा? एग्जैक्ट यहाँ पे बनेगा या थोड़ा आगे बनेगा या पीछे बनेगा?
थोड़ा आगे बनेगा.
थोड़ा आगे बनेगा. ओके. एंड व्हाट अबाउट 4:35? यहाँ पे बनेगा या मतलब 7 के पहले बनेगा या 7 के बाद में बनेगा?
बाद में.
Everyone agrees to what she says? Everyone agrees to what she's saying. Girls are saying that 4, 5 के बाद में बनेगा और यहाँ पे भी 4:35 के बाद में बनेगा. Does everyone agrees to this point?
Yes, ma'am.
If you want, you can just calculate few numbers if you want. Can you find out the angle between the hands at 4, 5? We know how to do it, right? What would be the angle between the hands at 4, 5? We'll just calculate this so that you know ये completely long term के लिए हमारा doubt clear हो जाएगा. At 4, 5, what is the angle? How do we calculate? You have to find out the angle between टू हैंड्स एट 4, 5. कैसे कैलकुलेशन? अभी तो किया हम लोगों ने सॉल्व. कैसे करोगे ये सॉल्व? What is the angle that we have to cover? 4, 5 means आपका मिनट हैंड यहाँ पे है, आपका 4 से थोड़ा आगे आपका आर हैंड चला गया. सो अगर आप ये डिस्टेंस कैलकुलेट करते हो तो ये डिस्टेंस कितना होगा? 90 से ज्यादा होगा या 90 से
90 से ज्यादा.
92.5.
Yes, 92.
So you are getting it as 92.5. Correct? Yes. Okay. Now what next should I do so that I get a perfect right angle? Should I take the time at 4, 2 or 4 or 3 o'clock or something like that? मैं क्या करना चाहिए जो मुझे ये right angle 90 degrees मिलना चाहिए? Or should I calculate at 4:10? Let's calculate at 4:10 so that समझ में आ जाएगा कि बढ़ रहा है एंगल या कम हो रहा है. 4:10 पे एंगल क्या मिलेगा मुझे? 4:10 पे एंगल
95
plus something. See, at 4:10 at this point what would be your angle? It would be 60 plus something. Yes, will it be?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So will it be ये कितना आएगा? ये कितना आ रहा है? ये डिग्रीज कितना आ रहा है?
5
right? So कितना आ रहा है टोटल? 65. Okay. Now tell me, आपका जो 70 है वो यहाँ पे बीच में आने वाला है या इसके पहले आने वाला है या इसके बाद में आएगा? सॉरी, आपका जो 90 डिग्रीज है वो 65 और 92 के बीच में आएगा या 92 के ऊपर आएगा या 65 के नीचे जाएगा?
बीच में आएगा मैम.
बीच में आएगा. दैट मीन्स कैन आई से हमारा राइट एंगल जो बन रहा है 4, 5 के बाद में बन रहा है, आफ्टर 4, 5. करेक्ट? यस.
Yes, ma'am.
35 के पहले बनेगा या बाद में बनेगा? Okay, tell me what is the angle at 4:35 now? Now you know the calculations. 4:35. What would be the angle at 4:35? See now, what is this much part, guys? ये पूरा part कितना हो रहा है? 90 degrees. आंसर क्या रहेगा? 90 minus x. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Your answer would be 90 minus x because your this hand would have been traveled over here, somewhere over here. तो आपको ये डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल देखना है, तो दैट इज 90 minus x. नाउ यू टेल मी, जो 90 डिग्रीज बनेगा वो बाद में बनेगा या पहले बनेगा? अब ये आप लोग 4:35 पे 90 से कम हो, 90 बनाना है तो आपको थोड़ा आगे जाना पड़ेगा या आपको उसके पीछे जाना पड़ेगा या वहीं पे 90 मिल रहा है आपको?
आगे जाना पड़ेगा.
आगे जाना पड़ेगा. सो यू गॉट योर आंसर. आपको 90 डिग्रीज कहाँ पे मिल रहे हैं? यस. सो 4 to 5 पे यहाँ पे मिला. व्हाट अबाउट 5 to 6? कहाँ पे मिल रहा है 5 to 6 पे? कम ऑन नाउ फास्ट यू कैन टेल मी. 5 to 6 o'clock.
5:40.
Okay, you are getting at 5:40 and that's it? Just 5:40 or something else also?
5:10.
5:10.
Okay, so approximate number we are calculating, right? We are not calculating exact. What about 6 to 7?
6:15 and
6:45.
6:45.
अब लॉजिक सबको समझ गया है. 7 to 8,
7:20 and 7:50.
7:20 and 7:50. Correct. What about 8 to 9?
8:25.
8:25 and 8:55.
8:25 and 8:55. Now guys, tell me what is the angle at 9 o'clock? Exactly at 9 o'clock.
9 and 9:30.
नहीं. What is the angle at exact 9 o'clock?
90.
90 degree.
90
Now,
degree.
आप अगर ये 9 to 10 में जाते हो तो आपको ये कोरिलेशन के हिसाब से आपको एंगल्स कब मिलने वाले हैं?
9
and 9:30.
9:30 and 9 ऐसा कुछ होना चाहिए था. करेक्ट. ये जो 8:55 आपने कैलकुलेट किया ना गाइस, अगर आप चेक करते हो ना तो 8:55 पे 90 डिग्रीज नहीं मिलता है आपको. 8:55 से आगे मिलने वाला ये हमने यहाँ से कोरिलेशन निकाला था. डू यू गाइस रिमेम्बर दैट?
Yes.
यस. सो 8:55 के बाद में मतलब एग्जैक्टली एट 9 o'clock ही 90 डिग्रीज मिलता है. उसके पहले 90 डिग्रीज मिलता ही नहीं है आपको. समझ में आया? तो ये वाला जो टाइम था ये 8:55 पे आपको 90 डिग्रीज जो मिलने वाला है वो एग्जैक्टली एट 9 o'clock पे मिलने वाला है, जो आपने 2 बार काउंट कर लिया है. आर यू गाइस गेटिंग दिस?
Yes, ma'am.
that you are getting 90 degrees is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 और ये दोनों एक ही है तो 11. So your answer comes down to 11. समझ में आया सबको ये? I've explained this with
Yes,
logic.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
hope your doubts are cleared now. Now the same thing happens between 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock. What happens between 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock? What is the angle at 3 o'clock, guys?
90.
Exactly at 3 o'clock कितना होता है?
90.
90
90 degrees.
बराबर. So 2 से 4 के बीच में ये एक्चुअल में देखने जाए तो कितने आवर्स होते हैं? 2 आवर्स. तो 90 डिग्रीज कितने बार मिलना चाहिए था? 4 टाइम्स. बट हमको कितने बार मिलेगा?
3 times.
Understood this question, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Anyone, any doubts up till now? Anyone, any doubts up till now? No? Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So let's go to the next type of question. I'm just clearing the screen. Okay. Next is question number 4 for the image what we are seeing right now. The first image.
Ma'am,
Yes.
फाइनल आंसर क्या होगा?
11. अभी तो
ओके.
एक्चुअल में 12 आना चाहिए था, करेक्ट? बिकॉज जो टाइम स्पैन 6 आवर्स का था. बट बिटवीन 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock ये जो 90 डिग्रीज होता है वो सिर्फ 3 टाइम्स बनता है, 4 टाइम्स नहीं बनता है. इसलिए आपका आंसर 11 टाइम्स आया. समझ में आया?
यस मैम.
Okay. Now all of you refer to the fourth question. All of you refer to your fourth question. A clock was set correct at 12 o'clock. It loses 10 minutes per hour. What do you mean by loses 10 minutes per hour?
It's 10 minutes. पीछे चल रही है.
पीछे चल रही है घड़ी, right? Okay. Now what will be the angle between the hour and minutes hand of the clock after 1 hour? Now 12 o'clock के बाद में 1 hour means क्या होना चाहिए? 1 o'clock, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
कोई फॉल्ट नहीं होता था तो 12 o'clock के बाद में 1 hour विदाउट if the watch is a normal watch तो टाइम क्या होना चाहिए था? 1 o'clock, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
But this is a faulty watch, and this fault is what it is, a slow watch, right? So what time it will show at 1 o'clock? After what time?
12:50.
12:50, correct. And what is the question now they are asking us? To find out the angle between the hands at 12:50. Can you guys solve this now?
Yes, ma'am.
You guys know now how to calculate the angles between the hands. Calculate it.
Ma'am, 80 degrees.
80 degrees. Is it?
85.
85.
85 is the correct answer.
85.
Ah, yes,
85 is the
85
correct
degrees.
answer, guys. Anyone? I hope you understood why it's not 80 degrees, dear.
Yes, ma'am. I had counted 10 degrees instead of 5 degrees.
Okay. I'm sharing more questions on the group, guys. Okay. So I want everyone to now solve question number 7. जो अभी तृष्णा ने भेजा था, अभी जो मैंने भेजा वो नहीं, जो हम लोग रेफर कर रहे थे अब तक, उसका 7th क्वेश्चन आपको सॉल्व करना है. Solve it, everyone, and try to give me the answer. Take 2 minutes if you want, but I want answer from everyone. Anyone there with the answer?
Option D.
Sorry?
Option D.
Perfect. That's the correct answer. So let's try to solve this question. A clock set at 10 a.m. Okay, so at 10 a.m. that was the perfect clock. The time was set at 10 a.m. The clock gains 10 minutes in 24 hours. So ये घड़ी को कैसे वर्कआउट हो रहा है? In 24 hours, the clock is gaining 10 minutes. Okay. Now, further they are saying that what will be the right time when the clock indicates 3 p.m. on the following day. मतलब हमको फाइंड करना है कि नेक्स्ट डे 3 p.m. तक एक्चुअल में कितना द घड़ी ये वॉच ने कितना गेन कर लिया है, और आपको एग्जैक्ट आपको बताना है कि तब वो टाइम पे घड़ी क्या टाइम बताएगी. ओके, नाउ लेट्स डू इट स्टेप बाय स्टेप. 24 आवर्स में 10 मिनट्स गेन करता है. सो लेट्स से वी हैव सेट द क्लॉक टुडे. सो टुडे इज सैटरडे गाइस, राइट? सैटरडे 10 a.m. हम लोगों ने ये वॉच सेट किया. सो व्हाट विल हैपन ऑन संडे 10 a.m. गाइस? What will happen on Sunday 10 a.m.?
It will be 10:10.
It will be showing us the wrong time, correct? It gains 10 minutes, right? Now, basically, if we want to solve, आपको जो time पूछा है ये कहाँ तक का पूछा है? 3 p.m. correct? Now, can I say that 24 hours में इसने कितना gain किया? 10 minutes, okay? Till 3 o'clock कितना extra time आ रहा है यहाँ पे? 10 o'clock के बाद 3 extra time आ रहा है.
5
5
So can we find out this correlation? अगर 24 hours में 10 minutes है तो 5 hours में कितना है? Can we find this correlation? अगर 24 hours में 10 minutes का
Yes,
gain
ma'am.
है,
Nearly 2.5 के आसपास.
2.5 आ रहा है exact? I don't think so.
No, ma'am. उससे कम आता है 2.5 से.
हाँ, it will be 50 upon 24, correct? So 24 ones are 24 twos are. Then you put a point, then you're left out with 2 double bar zeros. 2.08 के आसपास आ रहा है, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So can I say yes?
कैसे आया?
Sorry.
फाइव कैसे आया?
5
ये
कैसे?
फाइव कैसे आया?
10 बजे के बाद 3 बजे तक कितने घंटे निकल जाते हैं? 10 a.m. से 3 p.m. 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 5 घंटा हुआ. ये टाइम 10 बजे तक 24 आवर्स हो गए थे, करेक्ट? और संडे 3 p.m. तक आगे और कितने आवर्स निकल गए? 5 घंटे. समझ में आया ये? यस.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. सो 24 आवर्स में 10 मिनट्स अगर गेन किया है तो 5 आवर्स में कितना? 5 आवर्स में कितना गेन हुआ? 2.08, करेक्ट? सो टोटल गेन कितना हुआ गाइस?
12.08.
From Saturday 10 a.m. to Sunday 3 p.m. What is the total gain? That is 10 minutes plus 2.08. So total comes down to what? 12.08. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now it has gain. अब वो लोग क्या बोल रहे हैं कि what is the question? What will be the right time when the clock is showing 3 p.m. वो घड़ी क्या दिखा रही है आपको? टाइम 3 o'clock घड़ी दिखा रही है, बट घड़ी राइट टाइम दिखा रही है, गलत टाइम दिखा रही है?
गलत.
Wrong time.
तो वो टाइम पे राइट टाइम क्या होगा? हमको 12 मिनट पीछे जाना है या 12 मिनट आगे जाना है?
पीछे.
चल टाइम पीछे जाना है, राइट? सो योर आंसर वुड बी 2:48 p.m. अंडरस्टूड? 2:48 ये एक्चुअल टाइम है. वहां पे घड़ी आपकी थोड़ा आगे जाएगी, 12 मिनट आगे दिखाएगी, तो वो बता देगी 3 o'clock के आसपास. समझ में आया ये क्वेश्चन सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
everyone. On the same lines, I've also posted one more question in the group. Just let me find out the question. Just a sec. Okay, guys. Right now, जो मैंने अभी 2 images आपके सामने post किया है. So you have to solve. I'm just writing down the question numbers over here. Okay. Solve question number 21. Solve question number 23. That's it. Solve these 2 questions. I give you, let's say, 4 minutes for these 2 questions. Solve question number 21 and 23, which I have posted just a minute before. Akshaya, your answer is correct. Parth, it is correct. Janam, if you could write the answer, it would be better. Yeah, Janam. Janam, please check for your question number 21. No, Prajakta, your question number 21 is not correct. Harshita, your answer is correct. Yatharth, your answers are correct. Shantanu, it's correct. Sai, it's correct. Harsh, check for your answer again. Janvi, your answers are correct. Rishikesh, your answer is correct. Okay, guys, let's try to solve these questions now. Question number 21. What is the angle between the hands at 15:45? 15:45 means exactly क्या find करना है हम लोगों को?
345.
345.
Now at 3:45, if you draw the clock, कुछ ऐसा होना चाहिए था hands, right? Yes, but exactly कितना रहेगा क्या ये?
नहीं.
3:45 ही बोला है ना? Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So ये कितना, अगर ये ऐसा होता तो कितना डिग्रीज होता? 180 डिग्री, करेक्ट? बट आपका आंसर
Yes, ma'am.
180 minus x degrees, right? You have to
Yes,
find
ma'am.
out कि 3 o'clock के बाद में ये जो R hand है वो यहाँ से 4 o'clock तक, मतलब 4 और 3 के बीच में कितना यहाँ पे कहीं तो है. You have to travel this distance, ये आपको ये बता फाइंड करना है. So again can we do that? 60 minutes में कितना डिग्रीज होता है guys?
360.
नहीं,
30
डिग्रीज, करेक्ट. ये आर हैंड की बात कर रहे हैं हम लोग, राइट? सो 3:45 मींस व्हाट? 45 मिनट्स में ये कितना चल लेगा आगे? 22.5 क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन से ये आ जाएगा आपका, करेक्ट?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so your final answer would be what? 180 minus 22.5, which comes down to 157.5. Which is as good as 157 1 by 2 degrees. Understood this, everyone? Yes. I cannot hear you clearly. Can you check for your internet connection?
वहाँ obtuse angle.
हाँ, what do you
Ma'am,
obtuse angle?
Obtuse angle.
Your voice is not clear, dear.
One of Kaskal.
क्या? You can just put your question on chat. I'll wait for you. Put your question on chat. Yeah, so in question, if an obtuse angle is stated, what is 157.5 degree? Is it not an obtuse angle? 150, what is the definition of obtuse angle, guys?
Angle which is
More than 90, less than 180.
So your answer is correct. It is greater than 90 and less than 180. If you are confused that कि आपको ये वाला angle find करना था, so but obviously 180 से ज़्यादा ही आने वाला है. Yes or no? Okay. Half कैसे लिया? Now what is 157.5 dear? 0.5 का meaning क्या होता है? Half. इसलिए 157 पूरे डिग्रीज और आगे के डिग्री का हाफ डिग्री लिया. क्लियर है सर्वज्ञ? Yes. So let's go to the next question now. Question number 23. Okay. What is asked in question number 23? A clock is set right at 8 a.m. The clock gains 10 minutes and 24 hours uniformly. What will be the actual time when the clock indicates 1 p.m. on next day? हम लोगों ने ऐसा same question किया, right? So tell me guys, 8 o'clock, that is 8 a.m. से दूसरे दिन 8 a.m. तक कितना टाइम स्पैन निकल गया है? 24 hours.
24 hours.
इसमें कितना गेन हुआ है? 10 minutes का गेन है. Correct. This is given information and they are asking is when the clock is indicating 1 a.m. Oh, sorry, 1 p.m. So 1 p.m. 8 a.m. से 1 p.m. कितना टाइम स्पैन निकलेगा guys? 5 hours again.
5 hours.
So can I say in 24 hours the gain was 10 minutes. So in 5 hours it is how much? Again it will come down to the same number जो हमने लिया था 2.08 minutes. So total gain would be 12.08 minutes. That would be the total gain. Correct guys? Hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
So they are saying that watch is showing you 1 p.m. But is it 1 p.m. or less than 1 p.m.? Actual time?
Less than 1 p.m.
Less than 1 p.m. And how many minutes less than 1 p.m.? 12 minutes. So your answer has to be what? 12:40. That's your final answer. Understood this, everyone? And
Yes.
everyone? Yes? Okay. Now let's try to solve question number 19. Can you guys come to question number 19? The image which I have sent you right now. Before solving this question, guys, अभी time क्या हुआ है? 4:22 p.m. Correct? It's Saturday. Sunday, that is tomorrow, by 4:22 p.m. कितने hours निकल गए?
24.
24 hours, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Guys, yes. And let's say अगर मैं पूछती हूँ 48 hours के बाद में क्या time होगा? What would be your answer, guys?
4:22
p.m. Monday.
4:22 p.m. Monday. Okay, what after 72 hours?
4:22 Tuesday.
4:22. Only days is changing. See, over here the numbers what I am writing, are they multiples of 24?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, they are multiples of 24. Okay. And every multiple of 24 is showing me the same time, only days are changing, correct?
Yes.
Yes. If you understand this logic, then this question becomes very easy for you. So what is the question given to you? If it is 9:30 p.m. okay, and what will be the time after 1:08? कितने 6 है guys?
4.
नहीं रे भाई 5 है. Am I correct guys? 4 6s are there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
5, 6.
5 6 है मैम.
5 6 मैंने लिखा 5 है. I'm so sorry. Yes. Yes. Now it's right. They what they are saying right now. The time is 9:30, and the question is after this many hours, what would be the time that the clock will be showing? What difficult है ना? Think on this, guys. It's
Divide by 24.
Divided by 20.
Divisible by 24.
Is this number divisible by 24, guys? How
Yes,
to check
ma'am.
divisibility of 24? The number should be divisible by? How to check divisibility of 24?
It should be divisible by both 4 and 6.
No 4. It shouldn't be 4 and 6. The number should be each other. Okay? So it should be divisible by 3 also and by 8 also. What is test for 8, guys? What is test for 8?
Last 3 digit divide by 8.
Last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. Are these digits, is 648 divisible by 8?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. What is test for 3? You add all digits and sum should be divisible by 3. So 1 plus 8 plus.
It's divisible by 3.
Is it divisible by 3? The sum over here that we are getting?
Yeah.
Yes. That means this number is divisible by 4. अगर ये number 24 से divisible है, इसका meaning क्या है?
The time will be same.
the time will be same and your final answer is 9:30. Can you relate this concept and this concept that we took right now?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
great. On the same lines, try for the next question. The next question, that is question number 20. But for this question, I give you, let's say 5 minutes. Not 1 or 2 minutes, I give you complete 5 minutes. It is 4:26 right now. We will check the answer at 4:31. But I want answers from everyone.
Which question, ma'am? Can you repeat?
Question number 20, just after this question, what we took right now.
Okay.
Is it option D?
Can you tell me the answer instead of option?
228.
Sorry?
1428.
No, that's not the answer. Okay, guys, let's see how to solve this.
Can you explain this?
Yeah, I am explaining it. I just wanted कि आप लोग भी try करो. Okay, just give me a moment. I'm clearing the screen. Okay, now guys, tell me, in one day, how many hours are there?
24.
24. Okay, great. And let's say if I ask you how many minutes then?
24 into 60.
One day, it would be 24 into 60. What is this number that comes down to?
1440.
Correct. Okay. Now, the number which is given to us, what is the number that is given to us?
143,999.
69 है ना?
हाँ 691
and 1. ठीक है, ये हमको नंबर दिया है. Now, ये जो नंबर आपको दिख रहा है 143,999 और 1440, कुछ कोरिलेशन यहाँ पे ला पा रहे हो आप, यहाँ से यहाँ तक का? Instead of this number, if this number would have been 144,000,000, क्या होता था यहाँ पे? ये 24 का मल्टीपल बन जाता था, करेक्ट?
Yes, ma'am.
समझ में आया? Same logic, the logic that we used in last question, we have to find out 24 का multiple, because we also know with this big number we are not going to convert this into days and the hours and months and years. It is not possible, correct? So we have to try to figure out the numbers which are multiples of 424, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Or no? Okay. So to make this number multiple of 24, आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? I should add one more zero, I guess. Yeah, I'll add one more zero. What will happen when I subtract 9 from this number, guys? 1 4 और इतने zeros के बाद में 9 subtract करूँ तो क्या मिल रहा है मुझे?
The number which we have.
What is the number that we are getting if I subtract 9 from this big number?
The number given to us.
Same
This number. So can I say this minus this is equal to this, correct? अगर ये नंबर की जगह पे ये नंबर दिया होता तो आपका आंसर क्या होता? What would have been your time that you would have given the answer as?
1419.
What is the time that they have mentioned in the question?
1419.
1419, correct? अगर ये वाला नंबर दिया होता तो आपका आंसर होता 1419, करेक्ट? इसमें से मैं कितने मिनट्स माइनस कर रही हूँ to get this number?
9 minutes.
9 minutes.
So can I minus 9 from here to get my answer?
Yes, ma'am.
And that's the answer. That's the answer. Understood this, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes.
the logic, whenever you have bigger numbers, try to find out the multiples of 24 near to that number. Okay? Okay, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Now let's see next question. Which question now? Just a second, guys. Okay, question number 22. Let's do it together. Question number 22. A clock loses 2% time per hour during first week. So what is happening during first week? The clock is losing 2% per hour and then gains 4% time per hour during next week. So during next week, it gains 4%. Okay. If the clock was set right at 9 a.m. on Sunday, so the clock was set right on Sunday 9 a.m. What will be the time shown by the clock exactly 14 days from the time it was set right. What do you mean by 14 days after this? How many weeks?
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
2 weeks. और ये 2 weeks में ये घड़ी कैसे आगे पीछे होने वाली ये भी दिया है हम लोग को, करेक्ट? Yes or no guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. कैसे प्रोसीड करोगे इस पे अभी? ओके गाइस टेल मी 1 वीक में कितने डेज होते हैं?
7.
7 days. Okay. Now अगर ये घड़ी हर what are they saying that every hour it is losing 2% time, correct? So what will be the scenario? First of all, what are number of hours in a week? First of all, number of hours in 1 week कितना होता है?
168.
That is 7 into 24, which is equal to 168 hours, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. So what is happening out of this? 2% lose हो रहा है. See, अगर 1 घंटे में 2% lose हो रहा है तो पूरे हफ्ते का भी 2% ही lose होगा ना? Are you getting this point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So first week में कितना loss होगा ये calculate करते हैं. तो first week का loss would be what? It would be 2% of 168, correct? Now what is 2% of 168, guys? Calculate and tell me the number. What is 2% of 168?
33.6.
33.6 या 3.36?
3.36. 3.36.
3.36.
But this is you're losing, correct? This is the loss. What is happening in next week, second week?
4% gain.
So there is a gain of 4%. So you have to calculate 4% of 168. 4% of 168 is double of this number, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so that will be 6.72 hours ka gain. Now, can you guys tell me overall gain or overall loss? Overall gain हुआ या overall loss हुआ है guys?
Overall gain.
Overall gain
Overall
3.36
which is equal to 6.72 minus 3.36, which is equal to 3.36 hours. Correct?
Yes.
Yes. Now can we find out the answer? Now 3.36 hours दिया है और अगर आप options में देखते हो तो time दिया है minutes, hours, minutes और seconds में. We have to basically convert. ये story क्या था? 9 AM, correct? और exactly after 2 weeks ये 9 AM होना चाहिए था. But ये घड़ी ने कितना gain किया है? 3.36 hours gain किया है, correct? So after 9 o'clock, 9 AM के बाद में 3.36 hours, what is the time?
12:21
PM.
p.m.
It has to be 12 something something. Now
Yeah.
with 12 you have two options. One is 12:21:36 AM. One is 12:21:36 PM. आप बताओ क्या आंसर रहेगा?
PM.
PM रहेगा या AM रहेगा?
p.m.
PM.
Yes.
How come?
9 a.m. के बाद 3 घंटे 12 p.m. होता है ना मैम?
Oh, so sorry. Yes. I'm so sorry. Yes. So आपका आंसर रहेगा 12, 21 and 36 PM. I'm so sorry. Okay. Understood this, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Anyone, any doubts with these kind of questions?
No, ma'am.
No? Is every question clear to everyone? ऐसा कोई है जो एक question नहीं समझ में आया किसी को? I'll give you one more question, guys. Just give me a moment. I want every one of you to solve this question. Just a last question, but I want everyone to solve this question. Just give me a moment. I'm just finding out that question. Okay, I got it. Okay, I've just sent it on the group, guys. I want you guys to solve question number 24, जिसका image मैंने अभी भेजा है आपके ग्रुप पे. Question number 24 for the image which I've shared with you right now. Give it a try. I'll give you a minute for this.
Option A.
मैम दिस मंडे 10 PM है वो.
This नहीं 10 AM है dear. अच्छा this Monday. Okay, I'm so sorry. Yes, this Monday it is 10 PM. Okay. इसकी वजह से शायद मेरा आंसर मैंने गलत बोला होगा बाकी लोगों को. Okay, fine. Guys, 10 AM Monday. ये ahead था या 8 minutes behind था?
Behind.
Behind. Okay. The next one. What are they saying? On this Monday,
4 minutes ahead.
it is 4 minutes ahead. Okay. So now if I just put this on a number line, this was the previous Monday and this is this. ये घड़ी ने कैसे कवर किया है? It was ये let's say ये correct time है आपका. Okay. यहाँ पे वो 8 minutes पीछे थी, यहाँ पे वो 4 minutes आगे. तो ये distance कितना travel किया है ये घड़ी ने ये gain करने के लिए? Can I say 12 minutes का gain है?
Yes, ma'am.
राइट टोटल डिस्टेंस जो है वो 12 मिनट्स का है और ये कितने टाइम स्पैन में हुआ है? कैन वी कैलकुलेट दिस टाइम स्पैन फ्रॉम 10 AM लास्ट मंडे टू 10 PM दिस मंडे? ओके, व्हाट इज द टाइम, व्हाट इज नंबर ऑफ आवर्स फ्रॉम 10 AM मंडे टू 10 AM नेक्स्ट मंडे? 24 आवर्स हो जाएगा ये? यस?
No, ma'am.
व्हाट हैपेंड? सॉरी 24 आवर्स नहीं, इट वुड बी 7 into 24 hours, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Which is 168 hours. And आगे और कितना चला गया?
Plus 12 hours.
Plus 12 करना है मुझे, right? So total कितना हो जाएगा? 168 plus 12, which is 180 hours. सो कैन आई से 180 आवर्स में ये घड़ी ने कितना गेन किया? 12 मिनट्स। और आपको क्या चाहिए था? करेक्ट टाइम। करेक्ट टाइम के लिए घड़ी ने सिर्फ यहाँ पे आना चाहिए था, करेक्ट। सो 8 मिनट्स का ही गेन होना चाहिए था। तो ये कितने घंटे पे होगा? जस्ट क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई। व्हाट इज द नंबर दैट यू आर गेटिंग आफ्टर क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन? 120 आ रहा है क्या?
Yes, ma'am.
This number is coming to 120 hours. Okay, 120 hours after what? 10 a.m.
Previous Monday.
previous Monday. Okay. Now 10 a.m. previous Monday के बाद 120 hours. 120 hours मतलब कितने दिन हो गए टोटल?
5 days.
5 days. Monday के बाद में 5th day कौन सा रहेगा? Friday?
Friday.
So Friday का 10 a.m. लूँ या 10 p.m. लूँ?
AM.
And that's your final answer. Understood, everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Anyone? Any doubts with clocks? No one? No doubt?
No, ma'am.
So shall we end the class?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Bye, everyone. Have a nice
Ma'am,
evening.
what will be tomorrow's topic?
Calendar.
Okay.
We'll be taking calendars tomorrow. Done?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Tell me, tell me.
Ma'am, whenever if I have any maths doubt, I can text you on WhatsApp now.
Yeah. You can just find my number. My number is 9595 94 555. You can just text me.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Okay, then,
ma'am.
guys. Yeah. Bye, everyone. Have a nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Everyone,
Thank
be
you,
on
ma'am.
time tomorrow. Be on time tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am.